Hey, Tia Silvesi here with University of Florida Extension Orange County, and today I'm going to show you how to make soil just using paper and worms and kitchen scraps. So if you've been starting a garden, one of the key ingredients is having good soil, like adding lots of compost or getting some potting mix. This can be expensive at the store, and so you can make your own beautiful soil just like this, using some items you might be throwing away. So this is my worm composting bin right here, and this is an active layer. So when I peel back the food, then you can see the worms down in there eating all the food and the paper. So here's some items you might want to consider recycling, and sometimes the recycling service doesn't take these. So example one, paper bag. So I got a cookie in this, had a little snack. Just rip it up into small pieces and put it in the bin. Now you can water this before you put it in or after you put it in. Next item, toilet paper roll or paper towel roll. These are made from paper. They will once again return to the earth as soil if you just let them biodegrade in your own backyard or in your compost bin. You can even put it in your regular compost bin, but I don't like for the paper to blow around the yard in case we get a storm or some wind. All right, how about a takeout to-go container? You ever wonder how these are biodegradable? Well, not by throwing them in a plastic bag and putting them in the landfill, but just by ripping them up and adding them to your compost bin. So paper is great for worms. They need a lot of paper for bedding, and over time they will eat all the paper and you'll be left with nothing but beautiful soil like this. Now in this soil that I have finished now, that you can see a couple avocado pits and eggshells, those just biodegrade slower, but don't worry, they'll still biodegrade. Now if you get lazy, you can just rip it into large chunks and put it in there, and then later when you're bored, rip it up smaller. Something that everybody has, newspaper. This biodegrades pretty fast for a paper product. So just rip it into strips from the seam down, little tiny strips, and put it into your worm bin to recycle the paper and turn it into soil. So what else can you do? Cereal boxes. Same concept, rip it up and put it in. All right, you know how they don't recycle pizza boxes because there's a little bit of grease in them? Well, the worms, they're not gonna care about that. Just rip this sucker up and put it in there, and then just wait, and compost happens. Mother Nature and the worms will do its work, and voila, you will have soil. So get to ripping up your paper products and put them in your worm composting bin or cover them up in your regular composting bin today, and you will be having your own beautiful soil in just a couple months. All right, thanks for tuning in, and keep posted for other videos.